In this video we will have a look at total internal refraction. Okay, I know the heading is so long, so first we'll have a look that what is refraction. Okay, refraction हम किससे बोलते हैं? Let me make it again with small one. Okay, so refraction means when let's raise this when sorry, so it means bending of light ray when travels from one medium to another, means bending of the light. Okay, so now in the case number 1, here we will gonna discuss two cases. First we'll have a look at case 1. Okay, so as we know that air, what is air? Air is a rare medium. Okay, means like a khulli jagah. It is a rare medium. And if we talk about the glass full of water, so that is what? That is a denser medium. Okay, means gehra, in depth. So now for example, I'm making the diagram over here. So this is like example. Oh god, it's not visible. We should take another color. It must be purple. Oh yeah, orange. So for example, this is a tank of water, and the light ray this is the tank of water. Okay, this is like a denser medium. Okay, so now what will be happening over here? The light ray will be coming. Okay, the light ray will be coming here, and this point is known as normal. So light ray will be coming here and it will attract over here. Okay, I was wrong over here. Let us just correct it. So now for example, the incident ray is coming and it is like this is a normal ray. Okay, imaginary line. So this is a normal. When it attract with it, like when it touch it, so here the reflected ray will be formed, and it will be what? Towards the, this reflected ray will be towards the normal point. This is our normal point. So here the angle of reflection and here the angle of incident will be made. So like when the incident ray is coming from the rare medium, from where? Rare medium means air wala medium. So here it is coming from, and it like attack with that normal line, and then it bend towards the normal point, means towards, इसके साथ ही, इसके towards ही it bend. So this is like the case 1 we are talking about. Now we'll be talking about the case number 2 if we talk about. So number case 2 is, I'm making diagram over here again. So like what? Now the incident ray will be going from denser medium to to rare medium. This is the normal line, this is the incident ray. So when the incident ray will be touching, going from the denser medium, this is the denser medium and this is the rare medium. So when it will be going from the denser medium, it will be going from the denser medium touching to the normal point, and this normal point, like the reflected light, will be now away from the normal line. There in the first case, the line was towards the normal point, the line was where the ray was, reflected ray was here. But in this case, when the incident ray is coming from the denser medium and it is touching the normal line, so the reflected ray will be away from the normal, like outward. So this is our case 2. So now we'll have a look at what is critical angle. Okay, we'll have a look at what is critical angle. I'll write for sure for this. Critical angle. Critical angle. Okay, so as we know that air is the rare medium and the glass is the denser medium. So let me make the diagram again over here. This is like the denser medium. Here I'll be making the very like many rays, and you will have the difference, like see the difference. So this is the incident ray, and when it touches the normal ray, so it will be reflected away. So here the angle will be, for suppose 20, okay, and here the reflected ray will be like a little curve. Now, so like if I draw another here like in this way, and it the incident ray touch to the normal and it will be bent like this. Okay, so now here if I suppose the angle is 30, so you can see the difference. So now I am making the angle, the incident ray, like I am making the incident ray, like for example now the incident ray is like touching to the normal line, and it is going to along with the surface and making the 90-degree angle. So this angle of 42 degree will be known as critical angle. Critical angle. Okay, so what is critical angle? Critical angle is the angle like the incident ray touch to the normal point and reflected ray make the 90-degree angle, so that is known as the critical angle. Now this will known as the critical angle, not the incident angle, because this is making the 90-degree angle in the rare medium. Okay, keep that thing in your mind, that it will make always reflected angle will always make the its angle in rare medium. So the angle of incidence is in denser medium. We know that here if I would give you this is the water tank, so the angle of incident is in denser medium, for which angle of reflection is 90 degree. Now reflection is in 90 degrees, so that is known as the angle of incident is in the denser medium and the reflected angle is of 90 degree and is in rare medium. So this is known as critical angle. So there are 2 points that you must have to keep in your mind. Those are that the incident angle angle is more denser medium means, as I told you, that it will be in the glass denser medium, and the reflected angle will be is equal to 90 degrees, so that will known as the angle of critical. Okay, now we'll have a look at total internal refraction. These were the few objectives of the total internal reflection. So now we'll have a look at this. So now as I told you that the angle of 42 was making the 90 degree angle. For example, this is the incident ray and this is the the normal point, and this is the 90 degree angle. Okay, so the reflected ray is going on the surface of water, for example, and this is a 42 degree angle. So now if I make the angle greater than 42, so let's see what will be the reaction. This is the normal. Here the 42 angle is there, 43. Now I'm taking greater than this. Okay, now the reflected ray will be bending towards this, and it will be the known as total internal reflection. Means the critical angle will be greater, so the total light will be reflected in the glass. Means this is the critical angle and it will be greater, means this is greater than this. Okay, greater, so the total light, this is the ray of light, will be totally reflected in the glass. Okay, so when the incident angle is greater than critical angle, so this is known as, what do we call this we will call that total reflection. Means when the incident angle will be greater than critical angle, means this is greater than this, so now that will known as total reflection. Okay, internal reflection. So we need to keep two things in your mind here as well. Let me write it with this lavender. Yes, we need to keep two things in our minds, that light travel from denser to rare medium. How? Going here, then it will be reflecting, coming back here. So from denser to rare. Okay, this point is clear. Now the angle of incident will be greater than critical angle. Okay, so when the angle of incident will be greater than critical angle, so the total reflection or internal reflection will be occur. Okay, we know that what is the reflection, what is a normal reflection. If we talk about the normal reflection, so the light comes from the luminous object, reflected on the surface and bounce back. This is known as reflection, a normal reflection. But if this is quite opposite of it, as you can see here, it is making the angle of incident, angle of reflection. Here the same will be making reflection angle, incident angle and reflection angle, but this is known as total internal reflection, and this will be known as reflection normal. Okay.